Securiton.
For your safety.
Fire detection.
The Westside Shopping and Leisure Centre in Bern. Securiton is responsible for fire detection at the Westside Centre.
More than 5,000 fire detectors monitor the various areas of the building complex.
The Securiton fire alarm system and fire detectors have built-in intelligence.
The system is simple to operate.
And the fire detectors are adapted to ambient conditions.
Advanced technology,
Superior know-how,
and our decades of experience combine to prevent damage due to fire.
fire alarm systems from Securiton are also used abroad to protect prestigious assets.
Securiton.
For your safety.